Dear students, today we are going to take the topic set theory. Yesterday also we have seen the definition of the set. Set is nothing but the collection of well-defined objects. Today we are going to see the subsets. Subset. Let A is equal to having elements, suppose 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Set B has 3, 9. Then 3 is the element of set B and it is also element of set A. 9 also. It is the element of set B as well as the element of set A. Means all elements of set B are also elements of set A. Therefore set B is said to be subset of A. Means we can define a subset as if B is subset of A, then X belongs to B as well as X belongs to A. The elements which are present in set B are also the element of set A, then and then only B is said to be subset of set A. Then next one is, we see, let A is equal to having 3 elements 1, 2, 3. What are the subsets of set A? It is the question that what are the subset of set A? Here number of elements in set A is equal to 3. Subsets of A is equal to 5 is subset of every set. Therefore we write 5. What is 5? 5 means empty set, null set, void set. Then subset 1, subset 2, then set having element 3, set having element 1, 2, set having element 1, 3, then set has element 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one we take the set A itself. These sets are the subset of given set A. Here number of elements in set A is equal to 3 and number of elements in subset of A, number of elements in subset of A are 8. If we take the set having element 9, only one element, then what are the subsets? Then subsets are 5 subset of every set and the set itself. Means total number of subsets are 2. If set Y is equal to 1, 3, then what are the subsets? Subsets of Y is equal to set 1, 3, set 3 and 5. Means number of elements, number of subsets are 4. Elements are 2. Means if the elements are, if any set having one element, then number of subsets are 2. If any set having element 2, the number of subsets are 2 square. Any sets elements having 3, then number of subsets are 2 cube. Therefore, the general formula is, if the number of elements in any sets are n, then total subsets are 2 raised to power n. It is the general formula. If number of elements in any sets are 5, then how many subsets are there? 2 raised to power 5 means 32 subsets will be there. Then next point we take, subsets. What is subsets? What is n? N is the set of natural numbers. N is set of natural numbers. What is Z? Z is equal to set of integers, means negative integers, 0 and positive integers, like this. What is Q? Q is the set of rational numbers. What is rational numbers? Rational numbers X. What is X? X is equal to P upon Q, such that P is integer, Q is integer that belongs to Z, and Q is not equal to 0. What is N? N is set of natural number. Set of natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Then in the form of subsets, we write N is subset of Z and Z is subset of Q. N is subset of Z. Z is subset of Q. Why? Because the elements, every elements of the natural numbers comes in the set of Z, and every integers are also comes in rational number, set of rational number. Therefore, set of natural number is a subset of set of integers, and set of integer is a subset of set of rational numbers. Next we see, what do we mean by intervals? What do we mean by intervals? Intervals. If we write open interval, then open interval AB. Open interval AB means what? On the number line, if we take here 0, 1, 2, 3 in positive direction of x-axis, here also -1, -2, -3 on negative part of origin. If you take interval 2, 3, 2, 3 means this one. Here 2 is not included, 3 is not included, means we represent it as 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, 2 less than x less than 3. Here also a less than x less than b. Open interval means what? Open interval means a is not including, b is also not including. Open interval 2, 3 means the number 2 and number 3 are excluded. The second interval is closed interval. Closed interval. Closed interval we write it as box AB. This is closed interval. A and B means like this. Any interval we take, suppose 1, 3, here 1, 2, 3. 1 is included, means close circle we use. 1 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 3. Here also close interval AB. Close interval AB means what? A less than or equal to x, less than or equal to b. Third interval is, first interval open interval, second close interval, third interval is like this, AB means semi open interval, semi close interval. We write A less than or equal to X less than B, means A is including but we exclude B. Fourth one, semi means open interval and close interval, means we write A less than X less than or equal to B. Then we say, we take next point is power set. Next point is power set. Power set. Power set. Power set. Power set. What do you mean by power set? Power set means let A is equal to x y z. X y z. Then subsets of A. Subsets of A are phi, set x, set y, set z, set xy, set yz, set xz, set x, y, z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the subsets of A. Then we define power set. Power set is a set. Power set of A means set of all subsets. Set of all subsets means we write phi x, set y, set z, set xy, set yz, set xz, and set xyz. It is the power set of A. Then one thing we should remember regarding subsets. If A is subset of B, we should note that if A is subset of B and A is not equal to B, then A is not equal to B. If A is subset of B and A is not equal to B, then A is proper subset of B. What is B? B is superset of A. If A is subset of B, second, if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then what we get? If A is subset of B, B is subset of B, means what? Means two sets are equal sets. Two sets are equal sets. If A is, dear students, we take one example from exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3, we take question number 3. I write question number 3. Let A is equal to the set containing elements 1, 2 and set 3, 4 and element 5. Then which statements are incorrect and why? Which statements are incorrect and why means we have to give justification why they are incorrect. Number 1, set having elements 3, 4 is subset of A. Is it incorrect? Because the set having elements 3, 4, yes, this belongs to A. This set belongs to A. This set belongs to A. Therefore, this set is subset of A. Second one, this set is subset of A. But this statement is false. Why it is false? Because this set cannot be a subset of A. This set cannot be a subset of A. Second one, the set having element 3, 4, yes, this set is belongs to set A. This set having element 3, 4 belongs to set A. Means this set lies in set A. This set is present in set A. This statement is correct. First statement is incorrect. It is false. Then false means incorrect. 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 Then second, yes, it is correct. Third one, the set having the set 3, 4, it is the subset of A. Yes, this set has elements 3, 4. The set has elements 3, 4. Means this set is in the set. Therefore, it is belongs to A means what? It is subset of A. Why? Because this set is suppose B. This element is present in this set. Therefore, this set is subset of A. It is correct. Third one, 1 belongs to A. Yes, 1 belongs to A. It is also correct. 1 is subset of A. 1 is subset of A. 1 is not a set. Therefore, it cannot be subset. Means it is incorrect. Then set having elements 1, 2, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 5 belongs to set A and therefore it is a subset of A. Yes, it is correct. Seventh is set 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. It is incorrect. It is incorrect. The set having elements 1, 2, 5. Set having elements 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. Set does not belongs to A. Elements are in A, but set does not belongs to A. 7th is incorrect. Then set having element 1, 2, 3. Yes, this set is subset of A because 1, 2 and 3 also set having elements 1, 2, 3. The set 1, element 1, element 2, element 3. Element 3 is in the set A, therefore it is incorrect. Therefore it is incorrect. Ninth, 5 is belongs to A. 5 means what? 5 means null set. Null set is this set belongs to A? No. Therefore it is incorrect. It is incorrect. 10th, 5 is subset of A. 5 is subset of every set. Therefore, yes, it is also correct. Then set 5 is subset of A. Any set 5 is subset of A. 5 does not belongs to A. Therefore, it is incorrect. It is incorrect. And last one is incorrect. See, first one is incorrect. Then 5th is incorrect. Then 8th, 7th is incorrect. 8th is incorrect. 9th is incorrect. And 11th is also incorrect. Similar problems are given in this exercise. In the theory also we have seen lot of problems. What you do? You solve the remaining leftover problems in the exercise.